let me at the very onset take this opportunity on my own behalf and on behalf of your brothers and sisters from Kenya to congratulate you, my brother, on your election as Prime Minister of the Federal Republic of Ethiopia. I stand here to offer you our support as you continue with your endeavors to rebuild Ethiopia. So, my brother, we assure you of our support. But equally, my brother, I remind you that today the people of Ethiopia have given you a mandate to lead, a mandate to bring peace, a mandate to build stability, a mandate to bring all the people of Ethiopia together. Today, you are the Prime Minister of those that gave you the vote and even those that did not give you the vote. These are all your people. And our hope and our prayer and our support will be with you as you bring this nation together. Ethiopia is the mother of African independence. Ethiopia, as the only uncolonized nation, stood firm with her brothers and sisters to ensure that the African people were free to determine their own destiny. Ethiopia is our mother. And as we all know, if the mother is not at peace, neither can the family be at peace. So, my brother, you have a big job in front of you. And mine today is to assure you and assure you, the people of Ethiopia, of our solidarity in that journey and our eagerness and commitment to see a peaceful and stable Ethiopia and ultimately a peaceful, stable, and prosperous Africa. May God's blessings be with you and the people of Ethiopia as you embark on your journey. May God bless you all.